Icon deal alert, 40% off, one day only. Icon general service sets at Harbor Freight. These are pretty cool sets, and I got a hack that I think makes them even better. We also got a giveaway coming in this video, so stay tuned for that. But let's get started on these general service sets. 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch Icon general service sets. We've looked at these before, but they have a full set of the Icon sockets. Yeah, I'll show you what's in them. 1/4 inch set has metric and standard 5mm to 14mm, no skips, 5/32 and 9/16, no skips, plus a ratchet, plus 2 extensions and a universal joint in a great case. The case is one of the better parts of it. The Icon sockets are great. I've bought individual sets of them many times in the past. The quality of the sockets is very nice. One of my hesitations for buying these particular sets in the past was that I don't have a lot of use for SAE tools anymore. I have plenty of them already. I don't need to build out more SAE toolkits, and these both include a full set of SAE sockets. But I think my hack fixes that problem. First of all, the sale is only on the the Icon general service sets. It's not on the Icon sockets. It's not on the Quinn sockets. So you don't have a buying decision on whether or not you should buy the Quinns or the Icons, or buy the socket sets solo, or buy the socket sets as part of the kit. If you're looking for a service kit, this is pretty good. And let me show you the hack. On these 1/4 inch one, what I've done is I've pulled out the SAE, which they come in these 3 little foam inserts. So you have a foam insert for the metric sockets, you have a foam insert for the drives, and then you have a third foam insert, which I've pulled out of mine. And in place of the foam insert, I've included the Icon Meme 1.0 set, so a full bit set. This is great. It fits in here perfectly. And I took a set of Icon screwdrivers, which have been on sale recently as well for 35 or 40% off, just the stubbies, and this fantastic new Icon G2 stubby ratchet, which I love. In fact, I've got a couple of these, one I've modified to 3/8 inch. We'll do a video on that soon. But the Icon ratchet, the little G2 ratchet, is quite nice, and especially with a 1/4 inch set, it makes a great addition to this set. And I think that this thing here with the screwdrivers and the Icon bit set, and throw this in some drawer somewhere in case you ever need SAE sockets. Now, I know some of you use SAE sockets a lot, and if that's the case, maybe you do the same with the metric. You take the metric out if you're an all SAE guy. And if you need both, then it's the perfect service kit as it comes. But for me, this was a waste of space, and it's a little bit of a waste of money, but at the price that they're charging for these, it's a pretty great deal. Again, it is $72, $120 normally, $72 at the 40% off. Grab it if you can. My guess is they may sell out. I guess one of the things I don't love about these Icon general service sets is they use G1 ratchets, and this particular example of a G1 1/4 inch is why I don't love G1 ratchets. The back drag on this thing is pretty severe. Could I take it apart, lube it, trim a spring, who knows what, soak it in ATF, maybe. Can I bring it in and warranty it for a different one that's maybe better? Maybe. In a couple of months, I think these G1 ratchets will be gone. And if I bring it in, I'll probably, I don't know, maybe I'll warranty it for a G2 ratchet. This is a current G2 ratchet. And boy, I mean, night and day, the back drag difference. This is quite a nice ratchet. Now, this one's a little shorter, and they do have a G2 ratchet. This is, I think, a 6-inch, the Icon G1, and the G2s are 6.5. Now, this is a comfort grip version, but they make the same exact ratchet in a non-comfort grip, which I don't have, but I may pick it up. It's a 1/2 inch longer, and so my guess is that in this foam insert, I might need to, trim a little bit of foam to get it to fit, or just use this one. The stubby works great in there. Not the stubby. This is, I think they call this short, and this is the stubby. But having these 2 ratchets, the extensions, the universal, the full metric socket set, no skips, 5 to 14, nice quality sockets in the foam tray, in the nice case. And when you put that stuff in there and you close the lid, it stays in place. You don't have to, it doesn't go flying everywhere. You can open it back up, and you know, the little stubby might move around a little bit. In fact, I had a little sleeve that I was putting it in somewhere, but at any rate, yeah, you know, it's not that big of a deal. I just threw it in a little bit of tubing, and it stopped it from rolling around. So that is the 1/4" general service kit hacked. So 3/8 inch, same thing. It comes with a full set of, it comes with a ratchet, comes with a couple of extensions, comes with a universal joint, and it comes with, you know, these SAE sockets, which for me, you know, they don't have a lot of value. The pricing on the 3/8 inch set is $165, $98. I think both of these are going to sell quick. So I'm launching this video tonight, so you have time to maybe watch it. I would try to get to Harbor Freight tomorrow early. Yeah, see if you can pick either or both of these up. You know, I think they're both a buy at that kind of price, especially with this hack. I got an even cooler hack, I think, with the 3/8 inch one. With the 3/8 inch one, what we've done is pulled out the SAE, and so here's the you know, here's the 3/8 inch ratchet G1. This one's not nearly as bad. The backdrag on this is tolerable. Still not as good as a G2 ratchet, but tolerable. So, you know, it comes with 2 sizes extensions and a universal joint, and a 1/4" to 3/8 inch adapter, and a 3/8 inch to 1/4" inch adapter. So if you have both these sets, if I have this 1/4" inch set with me as well, you know, maybe I keep both of these in my car or truck or something, and I can take this stubby and I can put this adapter on it, and now I can run any of these 3/8 inches on the stubby. That's a cool tool. That is definitely a cool tool, and I just love the G2 Ratchet. It's funny because as much as I don't like the G1s, I love the G2 Ratchets. They just home run with them. But to show you the rest of how I've hacked this toolkit, so what I've done is taken out the SAE tools, and I've added a number 2 Phillips and a sort of a straight blade, you know, normal size straight blade screwdriver from the Icon set. Decent screwdrivers. The handles are a little big for me, but really mostly in the bigger sizes. And these 2 sizes, they work well. And the tips on them, the blades have always been great. I also took another G2 ratchet. This is actually the 1/4" inch flex head ratchet, which comes in sort of a normal size. And instead of having to run the adapter on there, what I've done is using the snap-on parts, I've changed the anvil and the faceplate on this. So it is now a locking flex head, small compact head, 3/8 inch ratchet. And again, I think that's, you know, it makes a great tool to use, and you know, keeping this in this kit is going to just make it ton of fun to use. And you know, you can use it as a speed wrench. You can flex it around, you can lock it. You know, the head on it is pretty good even when it's not locked, and then you can lock it in place. So yeah, super cool tool. Again, I love these G2 ratchets, and my biggest issue was, you know, the G1 ratchets, but I think with this hack, you know, it works for me. I also got a full set, a 3-piece set of Icon pliers. Now this is interestingly the same 3 pieces that Snap-on includes in their 3-piece plier set. The slip joints, the diagonal cutters, and the long nose. Snap-on, I think, charges $190 for these three pliers. And so, you know, what are we at with this? We're at $98 for the whole kit. Plus these are, I think, about, when they're on sale, they're like, I don't know, call them, they're under $20. So, you know, another $50 worth of pliers. And the last hack that I added is the Icon double box flex head ratcheting. Here's the Icon wrenches. And I had an extra set of these, and I cut them in half. I cut them in half for my go bags. And this was actually a mountain set, but the mountain sets are literally identical to the Icon sets other than the name stamped on them. I cut them in half and did some shrink tube on the ends to give them a little bit of a handle, throw in a little wire keychain. And now I have one more that I need to cut and put in here. Now I'm going to have a full set of articulating extended lip box end ratcheting reversible wrenches to go in my in my Go kit. You know, if you've watched my videos, I've done a couple of videos on Go bags, you know, a $200 kit, a $300 kit, a $500 kit. You know, and trying to put together the best possible combination of tools, usually in some sort of soft bag. But I gotta say, I am very, very happy with how these builds came out. And I think that is a heck of a kit. And I think the total price on this is probably right around, I don't know, 200 bucks, a little over. Awesome. I'm thrilled with this. And if you want to build one of these, let me know in the comments if you would change any of the tools I put in here, whether you really do need the SAEs, and I'm nuts for taking these SAE tools out of here. You know, while we're at it, the giveaway, Astro Nano 3/8 inch impacts, these here, put in the comments something about the tools, and put April OG if you're an OG subscriber, or April new sub if you're a new subscriber. And yeah, we're going to be giving away a set of these. I like to do giveaways. I appreciate my viewers. I appreciate you liking videos, commenting on videos, subscribing on videos, and engaging. Let me know what you want to see next. You know, the channel is about what you guys like to see, so that's important to me. Oh, that one hit the dust. So yeah, another look at the Icon 3/4 inch, and yeah, super happy with that. We got some other videos coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe. If we have an Icon hack video coming up, we'll be covering in more detail some of these wrench modifications, some of the ratchet modifications, some modifications to both the Meme 1.0 kit and the Meme 2.0 kit, and some other Icon specific hacks, which I think you might find interesting if you liked this video. So that is Tools and Twisties with a quick one-day sale update. Hope you get there in time to get some tools. There's also a whole new set of G2 Ratchets coming out, and I will cover those in detail as soon as they hit. Here they are, a couple of them here. We have the 1/4 inch, which is very similar to the stubby, but in a flex version, $35. These are already out on the West Coast. They're not out in my area yet, but I expect them honestly any day now. And as soon as they come out, I will have them, and I will cover them in the video. I'll let you know what I think. I'll show you in comparison to this particular one. The other ones that are coming out, they're going to have a longer 1/4 inch flex. I think it will be similar to this, but a little bit shorter and without a locking head for $48. I kind of like my locking head screwdrivers, but this one actually might be a great tool to put in here. So I might do that. I'll pick that up when it comes out. We'll see if we can modify the foam slightly to make it big enough to put that in there. And then thankfully they're coming out with some new 1/2 inch tools. The 1/2 inch that they have now are enormous. I think they're 24 inches long. I mean, they're great when you need a super heavy duty 1/2 inch, but they're kind of unusable for daily use. So they have two sizes of additional 1/2 inches coming out. They have the 12 inch in both a comfort grip and a regular grip, and they have an 18 inch coming out that I believe is a flex head, non-locking flex head variation. So these are $55, and I think the non-locking flex head 18 inches of 80, 85 bucks, something like that. Again, we'll have them as soon as they're available. They'll be on the channel. Let me, make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And I'm really curious what you guys think of this. Is this am I crazy for doing this? Is this the the best general service kit hack you've seen so far? Let me know what you think. That is Tools and Twisties. Happy shopping. We are out.